Hey, this is Jeff from Task AGI. This process used to take hours. Now it's automated with Task AGI AI agents. Let me show you how.
Tired of spending hours manually copying email addresses and phone numbers from company websites? Let me show you how to scrape hundreds of leads in minutes, not days. This AI agent automatically visits company websites, finds their contact pages, and drops all that information straight into your Google Sheet. No copy and paste, no manual clicking through dozens of sites. Just clean, organized contact data ready for your outreach. Here's how it actually works. The agent starts by reading your Google Sheet where you've listed company websites. Then it kicks off a loop that processes each company one by one. For every website, an AI-powered browser visits the site, just like you would. It navigates through pages, looks for contact links in headers and footers, and intelligently extracts email addresses, phone numbers, and any other contact details it finds. Once the AI grabs that information, the agent searches your spreadsheet to find the exact row for that company. Then it writes the contact data right into the designated column. The whole process repeats automatically for every company in your list. The setup takes about 5 minutes. You'll connect your Google Sheets account so the agent can read and write data. Then you'll enable browser automation, which is built right into Task AGI. After that, you just paste your spreadsheet URL and the agent knows where to work. The AI prompt tells the browser what to look for. You can customize this if you want specific types of contact information. Start with a small test of 3 to 5 companies to make sure everything runs smoothly. Check that the contact information appears in the right rows and looks accurate. Once you're confident, scale up to hundreds of companies. This agent is perfect for sales teams building prospect lists, recruiters gathering company contacts, or anyone doing market research. What used to take 2 to 3 minutes per company now happens in seconds automatically. Deploy this agent on Task AGI today and stop wasting time on manual data entry.